Namaste. My name is Tara Priyadarshini Bekasani. I'm the Executive Director of Rudram Dance Company here in Tampa. Rudram Dance Company has been here from the last 11 years and we have been teaching dance, Indian classical dance. We perform widely and also we get to travel. Bharatnatyam, one of the classical dance forms of India, said to have originated in southern part of India, and today it is widely performed across the world. Thank you very much for being with us. Namaste.
Anyone here like butter?
You mean butter? I do.
I do too. But you know who else likes butter?
Lord Krishna.
Isn't he the one that plays the flute?
Yeah, with a peacock feather on his head.
I heard one time he carried a mountain with his own pinky. What? No way, that's not possible. Yes way. So once upon a time, there was this big thunderstorm with lightning and flooding.
Like a hurricane?
Yeah, exactly like a hurricane. So the townspeople went and asked Krishna for help. Krishna, taking sympathy on them, he lifted a mountain with his pinky finger and used it as an umbrella and saved both the townspeople and the animals too.
That's such a cool story. I wish we could see it in action.
Yeah!
Lord Krishna is a major deity in Hinduism. He is worshipped as the eighth incarnation of God Vishnu. He is also a supreme God in his own rights. He is the God of compassion, tenderness, love, and is one of the most popular gods among the Indian divinities. Lord Krishna is shown as different stages of his life. As an infant, he is stealing and eating butter. As a young boy, playing the flute. As a young man, surrounded by his lover Radha, or surrounded by the women devotees. And a friendly charioteer giving advice to his best friend Arjuna. Here we are depicting the story of him lifting the Mount Govardhana, defeating Lord Indra, the deity of thunder and rain. Lord Krishna.
तदनु गिरिवरस्य प्रोद्धृतस्यास्य तावल् शिखरिलमृदुदेशे दूरतो वारितकरपरिनिष्ठा धेनुगोपानदस्ताद् उपनिदददस्ता हस्तपद्मेन शैलम् हस्तपद्मेन शैलम्
Do you know about Shiva?
Are you talking about Lord Shiva?
Yes.
Isn't he the god that dances, Lord Nataraja?
He also has snakes wrapped around his body. He also has a crescent moon atop his head.
On his matted hair.
He also has river Ganges flowing from his head.
He also rides the bull. I wish we could see this in a dance.
Yeah.
Lord Shiva. Shiva is Mahadeva, a supreme god. He is a creator, a destroyer, and a protector. Lord Shiva is formless, limitless, and is the prime soul of the universe. He is compassionate, yet destroys demon or the evil. Shiva is described as serpent dangling around his neck, adorning the crescent moon and the holy Ganges flowing from his matted hair. He is smeared with ashes and is seated on the bull, majestically goes around. Lord Shiva.
We just watched a beautiful dance of Lord Shiva. But did you know he also has a beautiful wife, Goddess Parvati? Yes, I know. She's the warrior Goddess Parvati. Did you know half of Lord Shiva is Goddess Parvati?
Really? That means that men and women are equal in power.
She's also endorsed with superpowers, also called Goddess Durga.
Do you mean Durga?
She is the mother of all.
And she is worshipped by all.
Goddess Parvati. Parvati, Uma, or Gauri is a Hindu goddess of fertility, love, beauty, harmony, devotion, as well as the divine strength and power. She is gentle, nurturing form of supreme goddesses. Parvati is the wife of Lord Shiva. She is the creative energy and power of Lord Shiva. She is described as seated on the tiger, kills the demon, and compassionately blesses who believe in her. Goddess Parvati.
Shri Chakraraj Simhasaneshwari Shri Lalita Ambike Shri Chakraraj Simhasaneshwari Shri Lalita Ambike Bhuvaneshwari Shri Chakraraj Simhasaneshwari Shri Lalita Ambike Bhuvaneshwari Chakraraj Simhasaneshwari Shri Lalita Ambike Bhuvaneshwari Chakraraj Simhasaneshwari Shri Lalita Ambike Bhuvaneshwari Shri Chakraraj Ambike Bhuvaneshwari Shri Chakraraj Simhasaneshwari Shri Lalita Ambike Bhuvaneshwari Shri Chakraraj Agam Veda Kalamaya Rupini Agam Veda Kalamaya Rupini Akira Chara Chara Janani Narayani Akira Chara Chara Janani Narayani Jnana-Vidyeshwari Rajarajeshwari Jnana-Vidyeshwari Rajarajeshwari Chakraraj Simhasaneshwari